The sky, a canvas of endless fascination, owes much of its allure to one element: clouds. A cloud is a mass of tiny water droplets or ice crystals floating in the air. It forms when moist air cools down, and the water vapor turns into visible droplets or crystals. But what are the most awe-inspiring clouds? Noctilucent clouds. Ghostly clouds that appear high in the night sky, glowing with an electric blue hue. They're like celestial paintings that shine in the darkness. Lenticular clouds. UFO-shaped clouds that form near mountains due to wind patterns. They seem almost surreal, as if they were placed there by an artist's hand. Mammatus clouds. Hanging pouch-like formations beneath thunderstorms. Their unique appearance is both dramatic and mysterious.